Hey everyone, welcome back to Sector 1 Insights. Today we're talking about something which every filmmaker and photographer has to deal with at some point: cleaning your mirrorless camera sensor. If you've ever seen these annoying little spots on your footage or photos even after cleaning the lens, it's probably dust on your sensor. And whilst it might sound scary to clean your camera sensor, it's actually pretty simple if you've got the right tools. I picked up this full-frame sensor cleaning kit from Amazon by a company called K&F Concept, who by the way aren't sponsoring this video. It comes with 10 cleaning swabs and a 20ml bottle of sensor cleaning liquid. If you're shooting on an APS-C sensor, don't worry, they've got a version for that too. I'll leave a link for both kits in the description below. So, let me show you how I clean my mirrorless sensor safely using this kit. Firstly, start with an air blower. Gently blast off any loose dust from the outside of the camera body and lens mount. Then, tilt your camera slightly down and blow air inside to remove debris from the sensor area. Take one of the sensor cleaning swabs, drop 1 to 2 drops of the cleaning liquid right on the edge. I usually put one on the left side and one on the right to make it a bit more even. Let it sit about 10 seconds in the air, and an important tip, don't oversaturate it with too many drops. This can leave some really annoying streaks. Gently press the swab on one edge of the sensor and glide it across in one smooth motion. Then flip the swab to the clean side and go back the other way. That's it. No scrubbing, no heavy pressure. If needed, you can use a second dry swab, no liquid this time, to do a final pass. This helps remove any remaining streaks or moisture. And there you go, no more spots, just like new. Again, this is the full-frame version of the K&F Concept cleaning kit. This has worked perfectly on my Lumix S5 mirrorless camera. And again, if you have another type of camera like the Fujifilm X-T4 or the Canon R7, which have APS-C sensors, I've left links to those in the description below as well. Sensor cleaning might seem intimidating, but as you can see, with the right tools, it can be quick, safe, and save you a lot of headaches in post-production. If you like this video, please do click the like button, subscribe, and even hit the bell icon if you'd like to be notified about future videos from Sector 1 Insights. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.